You might have the perfect interview answer, but if your tone, pace, or delivery feels uncertain, rushed, or overly aggressive, it can weaken your impact. Confidence isn't just about what you say, it is how you say it. Think of two candidates answering the same question. One speaks too fast, stumbles over words, and avoids eye contact. The other maintains a steady pace, uses natural pauses, and makes controlled gestures, making him more confident. In this lecture, we will learn to use tone, volume, and speaking pace to project confidence without being arrogant. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to adjust your tone and speaking style to sound self-assured. Control your pace and volume to enhance clarity. Use eye contact and gestures effectively. Avoid nervous habits that undermine confidence. The power of tone in interviews. Your tone shapes how interviewers perceive your words. Even the best response can lose impact if delivered with an uncertain, monotone, or aggressive tone. 3 common tone mistakes. Uncertain tone, speaking with hesitation, using fillers, like, or making statements sound like questions. Rather speak in a steady tone with natural pauses, and avoid upward inflections at the end of sentences. Monotone voice, speaking in a flat, emotionless way, making you sound disengaged. Instead, add subtle variations in pitch and emphasis to keep your delivery engaging. Overly aggressive tone, speaking too loudly or forcefully, which can feel overpowering. Therefore, keep your tone firm but warm and professional. Mastering speaking pace and volume. Speaking too fast versus too slow. Speaking too fast can make you sound nervous and cause you to skip important details, making it harder for the interviewer to follow your answers. On the other hand, speaking too slowly can make you seem hesitant or unsure of yourself. The ideal pace is a steady conversational speed with natural pauses that allow your words to be clear and impactful. If you tend to speak quickly, practice slowing down by taking deep breaths before answering. This helps you stay calm, maintain control of your response, and ensure that your message is delivered effectively. Finding the right volume. Speaking too softly can make you seem unsure or lacking confidence, while speaking too loudly may sound aggressive or overpowering. The key is a balanced volume, speaking clearly and firmly without straining your voice. Adjust your volume based on the setting. In a video interview, speak slightly louder than you would in person to ensure clarity. Practicing in different environments can help you find the right balance and make your delivery sound natural and confident. Using eye contact and gestures effectively. Eye contact. Strong eye contact builds trust and connection, while avoiding eye contact can make you seem nervous or disengaged. Avoid staring too intensely or looking down instead. Maintain natural, relaxed eye contact for about 3 to 5 seconds per glance before shifting. If speaking to multiple interviewers, rotate your eye contact naturally between them. Hand gestures. Used correctly, gestures enhance your words and make you seem more engaged and expressive. Avoid overusing gestures or keeping hands stiffly at your sides. Rather use controlled, purposeful movements to emphasize key points. Keep your hands above the table in video interviews and avoid excessive fidgeting. Common nervous habits and how to fix them. Fidgeting, tapping, playing with a pen, adjusting hair. To fix it, keep your hands relaxed and steady. Using too many fillers, like, you know. To fix it, pause briefly instead of using filler words. Avoiding eye contact. To fix it, look at the interviewer while speaking and break eye contact naturally every few seconds. Sample answer with strong delivery. Scenario. Tell me about a time you solved a problem at work. Weak delivery. Speaking too fast, avoiding eye contact, nervous tone. So there was this, problem with customer service, and I kind of worked on a solution, and we, improved things. So, yeah. Strong delivery. Clear tone, steady pace, confident body language. In my previous role, we faced a customer retention issue. I analyzed feedback, identified key concerns, and developed a personalized follow-up strategy. This improved customer retention by 25% in 3 months.